How to delete transfer history in Remitly. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your transfer history in Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to delete your transfer history on Remitly, so let's say that you have the Remitly application, you made some transfers and there are some transfers that you don't want to see, and then you want to delete this transfer history. Well, let me tell you that Remitly does not let you delete your transfer history, and it's not only with Remitly, it is with any of the other payment applications such as Cash App, Venmo, MoneyGram, or even Remit, or any of your mobile banking application. Your transfer history always needs to be there in these apps, because if later the bank or the company gets blamed for something, there is always an option and there is always a transfer history there, and this is done to prevent you from fraud, from scams and so on, so that later on it is always there for security purposes. So I hope this video helped you answer your question as to whether or not you can delete your transfer history in Remitly. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.